Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer journey mapping with user testing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate customer journey mapping with user testing, once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a Test button to initiate a new project. Select the type of test you want to conduct, such as a website or app test. Define your target audience by choosing demographics that match your customer profile. Input your objectives clearly, specifying what insights you are hoping to gain. Next, include any tasks or scenarios you want participants to complete during the test. You can also add open-ended questions for more detailed feedback. Once your test setup is complete, review and confirm all details. Click on the Launch Test button to send it out to participants. Wait for the user recordings to come in, which may take a few hours. After the recordings are received, go to the Results section of your dashboard. Here, you'll find user videos and insights that can be analyzed. Compile the key findings into a structured format for easy reference. Identify the different stages of the customer journey based on participant interactions. Create a visual representation of the mapped customer journey. Utilize tools like flowcharts or canvases to illustrate the journey clearly. Finally, share your automated customer journey map with your team for collaboration. By following these steps, you can efficiently automate customer journey mapping using user testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.